Discover the 5 ultimate drones for captivating videos in 2023. Drones, the modern marvels of aviation technology, have soared beyond the realm of science fiction to become an integral part of our daily lives. These unmanned aerial vehicles, often referred to as UAVs, have transcended their military origins to find a place in countless aspects of society. From breathtaking aerial photography and swift package deliveries to precision agriculture and search and rescue missions, drones have revolutionized how we interact with the world. In this video, we embark on an exhilarating exploration of drones, uncovering the cutting-edge technology, diverse applications, and limitless potential that make them an indispensable force in today's rapidly evolving technological landscape. Buckle up, for we are about to embark on a journey into the thrilling world of drones. Number 5. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is a cutting-edge drone that combines advanced technology with high-quality imaging capabilities. This drone represents a significant leap forward in the world of aerial photography and videography. Equipped with a powerful Hasselblad camera, the Mavic 3 Pro can capture stunning 20-megapixel stills and record 5.1K video at 50 fps, ensuring exceptional image quality for both professional photographers and videographers. Its extended flight time of up to 46 minutes and impressive range of up to 15 kilometers allow users to explore and capture landscapes and subjects from greater distances. The drone at 50 fps also features obstacle avoidance sensors on all sides, providing a high level of safety during flight. With its advanced technology, remarkable imaging capabilities, and versatility, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro is a game-changer for aerial photography and cinematography enthusiasts. Number 4. Autel Evo Lite Plus. The Autel Evo Lite Plus drone is a cutting-edge aerial photography and videography tool that has gained popularity for its impressive features and capabilities. This advanced drone boasts a high-resolution camera capable of capturing stunning 6K ultra-high-definition video and 20-megapixel still images, ensuring exceptional image quality. Equipped with a range of intelligent flight modes including obstacle avoidance technology, waypoint navigation, and follow-me tracking, the Autel Evo Lite Plus offers a user-friendly and versatile experience for both beginners and experienced drone enthusiasts. Its long flight time and extended range provide ample opportunities for capturing breathtaking aerial shots, making it a valuable asset for photographers, videographers, and professionals in various industries. With its reliability, performance, and innovative features, the Autel Evo Lite Plus drone stands out as a top-tier choice in the world of consumer drones. Number 3. DJI Air 2S. The DJI Air 2S is a remarkable drone that has earned a strong reputation in the world of consumer drones. This compact yet powerful quadcopter is renowned for its exceptional imaging capabilities, featuring a large 1-inch sensor capable of capturing 20-megapixel stills and 5.4K video at 30 frames per second. This level of image quality makes it a top choice for aerial photographers and videographers. The Air 2S also excels in terms of flight performance with impressive agility and stability, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced pilots. It's equipped with advanced obstacle avoidance technology to enhance safety during flights, and its intelligent flight modes, including Active Track 4.0 and Focus Track, offer creative and reliable ways to capture dynamic shots. With a robust 31-minute flight time and a range of up to 12 kilometers, the DJI Air 2S provides ample opportunities for exploration and aerial creativity. Overall, the DJI Air 2S is a standout choice for those seeking a high-quality drone with exceptional imaging capabilities and performance. Number 2. DJI Mini 3 Pro. DJI went right back to the drawing board for the DJI Mini 3 Pro, engineering a whole new design from the ground up to pack in more show-stopping features while staying within the ultra-versatile sub-250 grams weight. As such, the first thing you'll notice about the Mini 3 Pro is its redesigned body and form factor, featuring a new gimbal camera, bigger, more aerodynamic propellers, and redesigned arms. The DJI Mini 3 Pro also introduces a brand new remote controller solution, the DJI RC. The Mini 3 Pro ships with the classic DJI RC and one remote controller pilots have known and loved since its debut with the DJI Mavic Air 2 by default. However, for those looking for a more convenient flight experience, the new DJI RC is here to help. Featuring a built-in 5.5 touchscreen display, the DJI RC eliminates the need to use your smartphone to control your drone, offering an integrated solution for piloting the Mini 3 Pro. The DJI RC also features redesigned high-precision control sticks that are more tactile and allow pilots to achieve fine-tuned drone control. The DJI Mini 3 Pro features a huge 1/3 CMOS sensor, the biggest ever on a DJI Mini drone. Not only is that bigger than the 1/2 3 sensor found on 2020's Mini 2, But that's also even bigger than the 1/2 found on the fan-favorite DJI Mavic Air 2. This powerful new sensor is at the heart of everything that DJI Mini 3 Pro does as a content creation tool, helping users capture next-level creative content. Number 1. Autel Evo Nano Plus. The Nano Plus has been designed to make it easy to capture cinematic content with 4 automatic shooting modes, automatic subject tracking, and a suite of video templates in the Autel Sky app. In this mode, multiple images are captured at different exposures while filming. The Nano Plus will take to the air and snap a group portrait, automatically adjusting the lens so no one gets left out. You can also choose to blur the background or not. The area is automatically processed together in a final result that pulls out the maximum amount of detail and rich contrast. Autel Robotics, well known for its EVO, Q series, and enterprise-level drones such as the Dragofish, released its first compact foldable sub-250 grams, 0.55 pounds, drone earlier this year. It very much resembles DJI's Mini 2 and Mini 3 Pro models in terms of size, weight, build, and functionality. The Nano Plus is the higher-end model in Autel's EVO Nano series. At the time of its launch, it offered considerable advantages over DJI's Mini 2. Notably, its 50MP 1/28 type sensor was more than twice the size of the Mini 2's, its lens was more than a stop faster, and it included 3-way obstacle avoidance. Subsequently, DJI released the Mini 3 Pro, which has similar specs and even outguns the Nano Plus in some areas, but it also includes restrictions not present on the Nano Plus. The Nano Plus can automatically track and follow a moving person, animal, or vehicle, letting you focus on other tasks. In this mode, multiple images are captured at different exposures while filming. The area is automatically processed together in a final result that pulls out the maximum amount of detail and rich contrast.